Hi, Safety Joe from Magid here with a buying guide on cut-resistant gloves. Did you know that glove use has been shown to reduce acute hand injuries by up to 60%? So if you or your workers are handling rough or sharp materials, we've got a glove for that. One of the first things to consider is the application that the glove's going to be used in. Is it wet, dry, hot, cold? The other thing to consider is the level of cut protection that you need. Now when choosing cut protection, there's the ANSI standard or American standard and the EN standard, European standard. The key takeaway is the higher the rating, the higher level of cut protection. There's four main different types of yarns that make up cut resistant gloves. The first one is an aramid fiber. The most commonly known is DuPont Kevlar. Now this is 5 times stronger than steel. It's inherently cut resistant, but it's also flame and heat resistant. Next we have a HPPE fiber or high performance polyethylene. Now this is low linting. It's resistant to chemicals and water and UV light. It's also very soft and comfortable. We also have 2 different Magid invented blends. We have the Aramax fiber, which on a per weight basis offers twice the level of cut protection as the aramid or HPPE fiber. This also draws sweat away from the wearer's skin, keeping workers cool, dry, and comfortable. Next we have the XKS blend. This blend incorporates stainless steel into the weave, and a dark color extends the surface life. Aramax and XKS are the best of both worlds for cut protection, but they are more expensive due to the materials used and the weight. So speaking of glove weights, you need to consider the gauge of the material. So a lower gauge means a heavier, thicker glove, and a higher gauge means a lighter, thinner glove. Now sometimes you might need the higher protection of a thicker glove when doing heavy jobs such as deburring. And on other times you might want the extra comfort and dexterity of a thinner glove, such as doing assembly work. So in addition to the different yarns that are offered on the gloves, we also offer a variety of different coatings. Now these coatings can be mixed and matched with the different yarns depending on the needs of your application. Coatings are going to affect the comfort, grip, and dexterity. Now the most popular coating choice is polyurethane. Polyurethane offers an excellent grip on oily or wet surfaces, very abrasion resistant, lightweight, comfortable, but not the best choice where there's heavy liquid exposure. On the other hand, we have a nitrile coating that is good for heavy liquid exposure such as oils or coolants. Tends to be a little heavier, can get slippery, but also offers good protection against metal shavings. A couple variations on the nitrile coating. We have a foam nitrile coating and a sandy nitrile coating. Both offer good liquid protection against oils, coolants. Both are a little thicker than the polyurethane, so they offer protection from metal shavings. The foam nitrile has a good grip on wet or dry surfaces. The sandy nitrile, even better grip on wet or dry surfaces. Another coating available is natural rubber latex. Latex offers the best overall dry grip of any of the coatings. It's great for cold applications such as outdoors in wintertime or in freezer applications. Do consider that it should not be used around any hydrocarbon-based oils, and some individuals may be allergic to latex. Another good coating is leather. Leather is very durable and abrasion resistant. One other benefit of leather is additional layers of cut-resistant protection can be added behind the leather. And with any of these coatings, if you're handling metal parts that will be painted, you need to consider a silicone-free coating because silicone will prevent adhesion of the paint. With all these different coatings, the important thing is to understand your application, and I suggest you try the gloves and see how they work for you. So as a safety manager, I understand that there's a lot to consider, but the key components in cut-resistant gloves are know your application, what cut level do you need, what material do you need, and what thickness, and of course the coating. All of these options can be mixed and matched, and one advantage of working with Magid is that we manufacture our own gloves. We can customize a glove to fit your particular application. Our team at Magid is excited to work with you. Call the Magid experts at 1-800-444-8030. We'll be sure to find a glove that meets your application. We've got a glove for that. Now this is Safety Joe signing off, reminding you to keep these babies safe.